Today is 14th of January 2018, Sunday. We had a knock earlier on, a persistent knock this afternoon, and regarding a noise complaint levelled our or my way from this flat. And so I opened the door. I mean, I thought, because of the way the knocking was so persistent, I thought it was the cops again. But it wasn't. It was two guys from Southwark Council, which is our local council. And as I said, they'd heard a complaint of noise. Our main gangstalking neighbours moved out some months ago. But insults directed to me are still heard within the block, in the lift, or when I'm waiting for a lift, when I leave the flat, and of course when I'm outside. So yeah, that part, the targeting still carries on as normal, but it's gratifying to to be proven that I'm not responsible for noise. Although the complaints were always from the gangstalking family that lived in the flat directly below. So I wonder who's making the complaint now, even though the complaint was wrong.
Complaints about your level of music, especially the bass line.
It's not you, is it?
No music, no.
It might be
I don't
downstairs.
play music.
Can you hear the music? We can hear it.
Yeah,
He was listening here, can you hear the
That's what I
vibration,
mean.
so he thought it might
So
be
we
here.
could hear it also on the door, that's why I'm thinking it's here.
No, I've got
Have you had any music on?
no, I don't play. Well, I do play music. I haven't had any on today. There is. I thought it was
Yeah,
party. I
the
thought it was
music
party.
on now, but yeah.
Yeah, I can hear it.
Yeah.
It's not us.
Sorry about that.